Right, yes, I have a pay more years about a year, and then there, and there was one to say, if you want to rotate, but what I can, nothing but you should not try to know, other humans are connected to my back, into what even know, and I don't even know what I say, they more network that I know to home, I also the car, you may be able to have a say, I constantly good YouTube, YouTube, or YouTube, be also to the Oracle, so much there, able to know a channel, and then, I share a contact between after that. We got to know or a blood group, or maybe also to know if you pay. It's a blood group here. Our blood group now, our blood group so to know what a woman or universal donor or universal blood group. Selina or was that? Now the best is I could have a to know about and send it to my dad. And then, it's so it's a band of to do or you to the 2nd May 2025. And we have about us. I know that, I know bizarre. Na neze mepe nye ho ma wo otumedi se na tia okọ oye ejuma na ta okọ akade ho no ebi so de me na kosida na wo otum adi papa mezenisi o ma bin abdala ye da yes ma ba bi ye ba da opayin na ye sa ka ofia e ba de lezi na ya ko akwene ye ko ene. Right, yeah, sorry. I quite be yes, I hate the other. Dr. Castle is a good offer, never can answer. Somebody say, you are Dr. Wisdom, Abuti, no, good morning. Good morning, sir. Upon na asana ente fante ta akasa
o mete fante
twi fete
mete twi ba fante ensheda nko yi
fante na twi no nti butu ya ka nti aya ye bo kuma na ya hwe ya kamera na hwe ama ebi ehu da ya wa na ta akasa so apart from fante kaka twi kaka bo fa etumeti ni pi o se na ko tro bo fo nti na etum na yi wa bodiri abakasa so nati
mete aigbe ni mete aigbe na meeting crime so kakra
so na wa wo do so nte aigbe ana ko chere babu ye
na mire fie
na ibo ana ko chere na nka se ya let us wait for that
so it me ka good day
kasa
you need specific good morning to Osoria so good day no aka ochia unipa
no go on to uncle ana yeah time dia wa voice on question
okay
into anapa I do chere
good day now no wajeso o ti wajeso a say you now F1 now what you so that's we want to say
okay
I say oh many na hoye my phone
what's that
F1
what's up ma
no be say na pon mo so to say
okay na ana penchele ya benche ni ha the same thing
the same thing
how ni na F1
F1
but young question I say I am medical doctor and lab scientist.
Medical laboratory scientist.
And you about share. I am command about one. About share a lab in Watson. So you can your blood group.
Me da say me da ko start before so I say say o ma me opportunity to say yembe discuss about blood group ɛna ne nsonsanso a ɛwɔ yɛapɔmuden so nti mɛstarte wɔ mogya na yɛde akɔ akɔtɔ blood group no nti no sɛ woba lab na yɛtwe wɔ mogya a wogyaa mogya no si hɔ for mmerɛ bi a settle into 3 layers. So the 3 layers no, we have but baby a red. You know, a component of the blood no. And near my blood ni mo a who. It's in the red part no, and a red blood cell. Now red blood cell no so no. Your buffy coat. I know a white blood cells and platelets. And your yellow fluid be and also a waso a war buffy coat no so and also a friend plasma. Now Usha one Nina war specific jumedia nimina di. Into no offer red blood cells now. And no it to me a transporting oxygen. And my a will be a war a more a friend hemoglobin. Into hemoglobin and a transporting oxygen Emma you need biani bibia cells a woman in an almost to me juma. And now, white blood cell and a platelets now. White blood cells no omako yes soldiers of the body. Into no omo put ya yarewa. Say winya yarebi emo bi o mojade omo na ombe kuetia na omo hwe say omo ani nyina befi mojade. And a platelets no omo de ne say unya itwa na moja say start say eba un say e wo mu na blood na aclot na oho na akata nti platelet no omo so moju medie ne say ombehwe na unya itwa lose moja bebre na oho na akata nti ene no de eba behwe ne ye red blood cell na nkasa because eno na ebe determine say wo ye blood group we now, before I you say it's a blood group now say I say you call science mukakra. Okay. No. Offer red blood cell now, offer cell back wa. You will near be a waso, or never like a friend of markers and antigens. And see near man, some near man was no, and on a bed determine say, we blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and our blood group O. And no. Your ABO system and your resource factor system and I say RH system. And you know say ABO no ewo ne antigens ewo red blood cell no so and resource factor no and also ye anti D the friend of D antigen and also red blood cell no so nti eno and a be kire say oh ye A positive and I say B negative. And you know, say oh A antigen or red blood cell no so if automatically no A blood group A. And now B blood group B. But then blood group AB no it will both antigen A and antigen B. Or red blood cell no so and you know no your friend no AB blood group. And now no there any antigen bia ni so enti no eno so ye o na say obi hwe the blood group a ubu say either uhu A na uhu say negative and positive e won chen na negative ni positive no resource antigen no and D antigen no enti say D antigen no wo ho a na wosa wo A a e be from A positive say resource ni ho na wo ye A a e be from A negative nti no wo hwa AB positive wo A antigen wo B antigen na esa wo D antigen no na antigen no Oba science more ye friend of foreign material. Antigen oba science my friend of foreign material. And now ye nipadua no in such a way say any foreign material be a bas system nim no the body will make arrangements to clear the foreign material. You know, the body make this process through the production of something we call antibodies. Now antibodies attack antigens na destroy no. You know, antigens na blood cells body attack no. A antigen enya body never attack no. Now A antigens or body blood cell no so or body produce antibodies attack no. Similar way, say obi so AB antibody antigens ne red cell so body produce antibodies attack no. Into no your friend be corresponding antibodies and antigens. Say blood group A antigen meet with antibody A ebe attack no. And now your friend corresponding antibody antigen reaction. Into no antibody attack antibody A be attack antigen A no. Na a say red cell no. Red blood cell na antigen was no ebe say no. To be destroy no. Same way, say B antigen, and so I encounter B antibody, and also a cause destruction of the red cell. And you know, your body your blood say me A positive, naturally me will B antibody. Say me A positive. Me will A antigen. Me A antibody or me blood me will B antibody. Naturally, sana okay. In a similar way, into obviously B group and also B antigen or A antibody or the blood group, the blood me. Into the obi or AB antigen or a blood group AB. And also naturally we need antibody because the moment antibody B antibody A and antibody B can destroy red cells now antigens no. Into similarly blood group O or no blood group O any antigen B on the red cell so. And also both blood antibody A and antibody B the blood me. In the Mississippi, blood group A antigen A, but antibody B. Blood group B antigen B, but antibody A. Blood group A B both antigens A and B, and any antibody B. And I have blood group O and also need antigen B or red cell also. Now so I will both antibody A and antibody B. Into no mechanism way never be say and it me my who say no we be able blood say Uber hospital now open say yedi moja si so say you share enema we mu nyina very important because say Uba now your blood group A, na me nim, and now mistakenly man say that mammy ni anko na me come out blood group B. At the end of the day, who will be antigens? Who donor ni B antigens na eba no. Eba be meeting with antibody B, A system ni. Internal sana ebe cause destruction of your red cells. And one of the complications of the destruction of the red cells, they say. Yes, I see anemia. You see, anemia reduction in the red cell. And you know, your body hemoglobin transports oxygen. Ekoni pediano bibia unsa trebia wakoma efa lungs hana lungs bibia lungs wana oxygen ewura blood ni. Nti from here yes oxygen call on sana on nine bibia Nti no say yes ana there is a reduction in the amount of hemoglobin ebe transported this oxygen ana ehun sunsun na enye ade efe.
The winner doctor to education was going to try about the doctors. You good work with him. More than a Muslim group, I come master now, I come master maybe say a doctor. No one, probably a doctor need the moon to link. Bapuna, a doctor, the local school, I will do them purpose. Because I was also him doctor, no kitty. It's a hotel where he passed through, no good purpose soon. K360, remember that when I reached Papa. That was so it's in the Arifere, the nurse in the Center Press College, you don't know, Papa, that we to the Arifere. Then when I also as a dog, the mission of Papa, connecting after the church, as some drama to Dossimo, Bassa, no to Modamo, I connect to a church, so I return there, so I can do so, but can do in Kayakani. But it is a Medina, Madame Mindiska. But already been a few with Miss Cannon, and before I found a year perform now and be by my babies are dog, Motumina, our church, or him, and the Sangasa, Nella, Queen. Doctor, may you share all the boys that the little covers you say in our technicalities in our own Betty? No, pretty dear method do, nephew, maybe make say that. You say, wow, what the old positive, now universal donor, and I don't have universal donor.
Okay, so. Your universal donor and your universal recipient.
Okay.
And you know, in such a way, say, we are universal donor, in such a way, say, who donate blood, and more biana, reaction beyond course, and who young who's and so be and we are universal donor.
Okay.
And a universal recipient, who bet me blood nephew, beer, blood group 4 year, men boy, bet me if you beer. Ehun sunsanso bia boni bia mba nti no yo no ne your friend say universal donor na no your positive and negative no any antigen bia nti no say but our antibodies too no antibody A and antibody B. Into no say, no, yemfa other blood group or any say, yes, the nema immubia reaction be for say. Into no offer not what they ma blood group A. Blood group A, A antigen, and it will B antibody. And now what they ma blood group A, and antibody B. A and a B. Now, reaction say a cause between antigen and antibody, and antibody and antibody. Into a blood group A. Now a blood group we antibody B. Now the be our blood group O. Ne blood mawa. At the end of the day, no antibodies A and B and the they count. Or blood no into reaction bia enko say and I ever B so similar way B so or antibody A and antigen bia any O no so and also antibody A and B and I the babe count into no at the end of the day no there wouldn't be any reaction between the antigens no there is no antigen on the O, but then there wouldn't be any reaction between the antibodies in the O, between the antibodies in the O group and then the blood group, the antigens of A and B. You know AB so AB, antigens A and a B, and a blood group O, or antibody A and B. Now, the reaction common formed between the antibody, the antigen on the red cell now, you will donor. It's the antigen on the red cell donor, no, and the antibodies in the recipient. It is a many a patient and Bacho let me now Mr. Omar, donor. Now me patient no me AB. Into the AB now is a no antigen A and antigen B. Mr. Omar ne blood ne O or antibody A and antibody B. Now, the reaction ABC it should be between antigens or donor cells also and the antibodies in the recipient's body. Here lies the case donor cells never any antigen be until there wouldn't be any reaction. Similarly, say blood group O, the same blood group O and blood group O, command no blood reaction be in C. Into no, and it's Emma O no a universal donor no. Now, then universal recipient AB and the friend universal recipient. It will be blood from any of the blood types. Into a bit me add A, a bit me add B, a bit me add AB on one gasa. Now I said to me add O. Into say A bar, A at the antigen, and A bar, A or the A antigen eba. Antigen or AB mudeda. B so bar a the B antigen eba. And no A B mudeda. O A bar any antigen B and no problem. Emma AB no so. The same thing. And anything Emma AB no and also here universal donor, universal recipient. Sorry.
Right, Damina, Dr. Wisdom, Otum, is in medicine, my doctor. Now, you can come up share. Our blood groups in our automatic canoe, the member of Tumuma, you have us a yes, you are down, Dr. B. Chunkomo, nephew Tumina, share into MCR, or more than the phone to me. Now, here's a car, and Dr. Antum, Warren Baby. But it's happening there. Blood groups say to my brother here. If you are more resistant to anything can be to me if you are cause or cancer now to about them. So, you share or a go over more than me and then more than me the bear man can and then 10 painty. You took me up a trainers or you be my phantom. Why to measure the Dr. Wisdom? No, I bend now or the Nibiapa or two. Blood so to provide more shimoto on the blood or to my general when you cancer.
Special question.
The I'm saying there, it being the blood, then I can be blood so to one for me. I better to know the yeah, better to know the harbor. But we are mentioning when you use all your cancer. If you are cancer, as some can not get the blood in your was the blood in the gear, be able to know no cancer.
Oh, okay. Nti no say oba say obe say we donate blood mo bia ye mfiti prekope na ye ntwe blood no emfamba nipa no ye be screen blood no nti no first thing ye be check say blood group no compatible what the man nipa na reaction bia
ko go so number em say prepare you may find 20 pass e be so doctor na fi otumo treat me you find 20 doctor so ni memra me bibia to ma for doctor you
nti na make say oba na oba be donate blood ama odofo bi ana o family member bia ye mfiti prekope enka say o your family member nti den e be fa woni arebia anya ne awobeka na ye beti ye betwe blood no na ye screening nti first no ye make sure say blood is compatible. Ye demand compatibility ne chere say ye demand asimesia ye know that blood ne ma asimesia reaction bia anko say isusa money bia amba ena ye be infections nso ye be hepatitis B ye be HIV ye be syphilis hepatitis C
no ye share all terms yeah bado no ye share actual A+ so na share ye kiwa working B+ B terms na order no be too much change yeah Janko young boy nephew to me on the member of the Obotuna Wabwa nephew to ya Aquile, Senate, a Mojanum Babin, Mojanum system, and a Yetumina Yerisha. I can pay between after that. Yenum Jaya Yetumina Yoko upon Dunasaya, Yetumiko Kotuno, Otumno Oye Juma, no two of them are here. Until the technical hours or tomorrow, but Orcasa, B, whether you have B plus, whether you have B, whether you have O, the things, whether now, you call me on bar, we're 2 years. I like Ibrahim Adam or XLFM. That is the usual name share I have for nephew 2 years. It's a caliber. No, yes. The means of me now, yeah, in the man, you buy a hospital, you. Why the means of the because you go on to the car, you go ahead of bottle of glue. The more bottle you see, you get a watching with a bottle of also ultra. A friend of Medina only. In the hospital, the means of me tomorrow, not a button to the middle.
Blood group, nature can put it, and Bibia a yedding. Okay. And no cranny, but to me at the Pania wall sat near their show blood group. You know, a oba within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, with me, I check your blood group. Now, when our resort, and ye Bibia a year in Hukra.
The other man, more blood group. The following day, let's send my blood group, which was son, while quiet before Friday.
Me patrol say a war with a particular blood group to me son. Your conditions are to me a cause change in blood group by no a temporary and no infections be to me changing of blood group and no and shut down any idea until say we clear infection no we a change in blood group. But then, so we are okay, we are healthy. Now, we are doing, we need Arabia, blood group, I had and one I'll be keeping, won't me change.
The relationship between a blood group and the health outcome. What the baby are not to me, you. Even blood group, not promise. It was a good mouse, what you show me, what you know, one cousin, but also to mention into the relationship with our we took no wouldn't come to my issue with me because of ABC, why the offer number, now do more academy, which will but the particular disease because one particular young baby will dancing into it one country into a year. Actually, check in, and then maybe into Motroni or here I want to catch the patient and another important to
so, Obabe donating blood. Now, at the end of the day, who say infections a woman, and I say blood not any safe to give to your relative or the person whom you are coming to donate to. Yeah, but catch but then your protocol I say a fast. Say Obana a HIV positive, you to me can't show say we HIV positive. Because psychologically, it makes me affected. Until we have protocols, you go through psychologists. Now, on what's massive, what counsel say, blood no, say any say you who, but then engage HIV your therapy. Also, I wish my boy. Into your cancel way in and sana. Into you to me 50 precope and can't show. Say, blood no, say in a womb, say in the womb. But then, say a do for processing. Send your one or psychological scene into for your own safety. And into say a do go through processing. But then, you're right, say, we will donate blood now. Blood means safe. Now on can't change the reason. No one catch and say uncle. Nah, no, right. The right thing is we go through a process. We manage counselor. Now what counsel no about how to go about the new diagnosis no. If you want hormone lightly, because all of a sudden now what to say when you is true say o pese o bua obi o koya o pese o bua wadanfo bi o koya won fa nkote asem papa wa when you is nti no sa no e say e confirm say ye wo yen hospital I say the call other lab near confirm say no results na yenya no no ano no ana say ebia mistakenly na ye dinya as results no nti ye confirm we pe no say you go through that process to cancel you the individual for your own safety.
No, you share the ohia that all them to move I am a blood group. May you pay another here.
So anopay tonight na hano ye pe say ye sunya bibi say the blood group no very important. Very important say bia o pe say o donate blood in emergencies. Say bia wako baby ye nka say bibi si but then bibi betumi esi na at that moment no be here blood nti no ho no say unim ana say e wo medical record to say oh blood group here A oho na nkempa na ebetumi ahwe ni a check say oh obi your blood group B your donor group B e wo inside fridge ni ye fa ma no na on survive na ye wi a ya hwe enya afi ni ye ba be twe moja ni asaya blood group e bi ana one lasted that long it is very important na our remu put a whole topic how blood group affects marriage and influences marriage. You say, it is very necessary to do something we call premarital screening. Now, premarital screening, your blood group very important. You say, Obi me RH positive father. Me RH positive. No ma worry Obi a oye RH negative. Say if it is say no make say systems no your ABO system and your RH system. Yeah. I'm talking about the RH right now. Yeah. Into say
but only if you know doctor sir.
Into say oh yeah me RH positive. Na menya abayo abi na me kwa kware na oye RH negative. Say me too me honfo. Say me take measures to prevent future pregnancy, to protect future pregnancies. Into say obi oba no RH negative. Say me share ni nyin na onyem with na RH positive fetus na fetus ye moja krana enya ye nipa ye ewo awode ni no nti no fetus no be positive say me ye be ma na me nyin no abaya na oye negative na abaya no eba na eba no obe RH positive na me can be say antigens no ewura obody ni mu a your body sees them as foreign markers nti no body no ebe produce antibodies ebe attack the antigens. Now, RH antibodies no any preformed just like the anti-A and anti-B naturally our system needed that. RH antibodies no say body no exposed to say me positive kid pregnancy no fetus no positive no or mama no negative no body mono and also no the body has been exposed to the RH positive antigen of the fetus. Now mama no the body no able produce antibodies, RH antibodies. Now antibodies no RH antibodies no omo very stubborn. Say uterus no the placenta na protected fetus no e make sure say enema bi a area efi maame ne body nim area akola no system no monitored. But then RH antibodies no they are able to cross the placenta. No omako assess akwala no ne akwala mu jatoa no ne antigens no RH positive antigens no enti no the moment akwala no ya available maame ne uterus mu no ana na wodie mu no the mother's body is going to produce antibodies, the RH antibodies, and they are able to cross the placenta into the fetus system. Into no antigens now, RH antigens now, what fetus ne blood cells no so no. And no antibodies ne beko attack. Into attack here, a bit distraction. It will distract all the cells, the red cells in the fetus. Into no you cannot say miscarriage. One of the causes of miscarriage. It's usually first pregnancy. Is safe because it takes time for the body to produce the antibodies. Say first pregnancy, we are lucky here. Now, wow, safe and sound. But then subsequent ones, sometimes antibodies not produce that. Any form na straight. So immune system here attack the fetus, then it will destroy the unborn child, which is the fetus. It's very necessary. So we do blood group, or making informed decisions on your health.
No, but I can't wait and do. Na kitikiti bi adefa we ya tuneke no. So oben there mauba me rate na mauba na ebe ahebie ni hina wa fa here blood group ni. Because me fupi so be so me blood group o na mo wa mo be den biara o da me blood o to abofo no to mo pe so na sa afo bo wo na maame na blood on fa abofo be in case of here blood eja na blood on fa aya abofo no or na cells or whatever okay na ma I feel you suspicious so to happen na papa no ka tell abaka you feel you me na tere what do you call it abazi shomba started to mama otuma berdam da adfodo wo na ejele le hia mo blood no ontum na omboa
da bi eno de entumi sisa
nto sa na tell say na best ba na na ba
mistake go baby entumi sisa den a ma me ne de obefa ne de
okay
ba ye wo okay ma me breaking it down so yo A and yo B and yo AB and yo O. Intino say me papa no me A yo be a genetics. Genetics no how genes are transferred from offsprings to from parents to offsprings. Intino it comes in pairs. Intino ma me no A it can either be AA and I say AO. And a papa no B a bit me BB and a BO. Until say o cross match BB BO from papa no and a AA and a AO from mamina. Possible we there will be a possible resource now be no say akwala no if am baako. Until say nimpe no na say mistake o baby.
Yeah, because the mistake we made to be saying your papa is that.
Into no blood group so it may boama ye okoye paternity test blood group and so it me e boa ama ye to me yi doubt bi if you
But so atumo boa ma yi oye ehun bi itumi di fiwo na atumo amaje ko hini o say na say onfa ha na sera samaba fa atela samaba na intum yeto na mawo na ya hwe ko private transfer etum ne but one of the bona na order wutum yi muja and bia butum yi ne muja
oba say obetwe muja ye be check weight very important ye be check HB and also very important until say oba you make more questions be no afele you make sure say only tattoo only say only piercings bia e betimi affected the blood no and no otwi wi a na all fele questions na ya say bisa you betwi moja na ya check HB no concentration of your hemoglobin no available because at the end of the day, red cells no na here. They say making sure say we age be no in a range a bit me aboa nipa na wo twi moja na ma no. Because most people no remember no na age be no low. Eno sa no o twema nipa na wo here age be na emboa. They say ye age be no so. Now you see a show weight. So usually less than 45 kg. You entry moja. And on we see say bia foul. And I say blood near chinfu mu a one shot e be affected. And then you bia na say a chin moja. And I over chin moja no so usually blood it take about 3 months. And sana I say blood cells no say our body ni produce blood cells no egu or vessels ni mu a and I circulate for an average of 90 to 20 days. Now I say it's always advised say overtrain moja no ene overtrain the following 120 days and sana wasa ba between them untuni between moja ene na ochina onza between them Man, I bet because I'm got him and my mother be attended the Amadashon. Attended and then there are people who are around the Utum no church. Adam got him more than Tower. You crumble to Mujin 2000. So Obama, your true Mujana, your monitor. Uchibi and a mountain jaw home, yen jaw my own cosa, monitor for some time and son with you. Into your show 90 muna from Mujana action, because age be a cold loop and or you feel dizzy. Okay. And you start if you say there is any sign of dizziness, don't know your side of Mujabi Maba. Yeah, to me, yeah.
No, there's another issue pending on the Kenya. If you want to know there, no, I say this, our dear, I can't tell me, men can by 2 days or 2 days. So why all this message? Because you know what the match be that. Because maybe 20 years back, let me use leader Marshall until I received information from the teaching hospital. Until me me or a teaching hospital. Until you go back to your casa, the mother to Aya, Mamma. Because of me, no calling in 10 when the motor, I entered the mad bites in our tomorrow. Maybe do not fit to me. I asked him, Missy.
I know after watching blood.
Yes, now that's advice.
Okay. So, no call here in channel. Sex, idea, it demanded pressure. So, say, oh, have a sex, the change in your blood volume, no? It may cause the change in blood pressure. You know, at the time, Waba Hospital, no, you are chewing Mujabe 500 mils. You're reducing the volume of your blood. What you are saying, you know, the 3 days refractory period, no, a time, a bit to me, I refresh so, now we gain back the volume. What you are saying, you know, and so that will be about then for your own safety, because blood volume no esotype no, if ujina now blood is not able to reach your brain at the time we in the process now, we bet me faint during the process. It's a very necessary blood volume reducing quantity. You have to take precautions.
Right now, you have the march of blood like a young trend by 120 days. That's 3 days before I sign up to march. Into marching in the about this to gain strength, and then the normal be good and then the actual blood, there's a special food and a special fruit or to gain oil.
So usually there are forms of donation. So Oba Hospital we just come into the hospital, no abed donated blood voluntarily. Okay. So you be advised to say, for the 1 week, men get the big diggity aside your normal routine activities. Because once again, blood volume no reduce it. Men the fatty foods nti no sa na yese wudi aduane a ebetumi boost blood production nti no ekosua ne liver ne ade ha eno no to me boost the production of the red cell fast, even though say one could this and no power with time no ebe produce, but then say open in tema advice say already aduane to say the liver red meat ewo marrow ni ade. Yes.
But yes, the man I pray for you or when you're supposed to have a blood behind, or they would to this one. In case of emergency. In case of emergency, soon as they say, from the Galana. I haven't tell you how for
it's no say, what about the Chimojana? Paper now, you have the amount. The amount I say, blood no, say a tree near the two blood bank was aching. Now, at the end of the day, you use blood now a hospital media. And you know, I say, what say women now see us and I would meet blood no. Because most of the many complaints from people say, oh, the tree mujana or my farmer no, na the wife or farmer no, you know, and also no, you into me yes farm. Because that's what you signed. Hospital media.
Okay.
Yes.
The hospital is a Mazamera about media and what but your farmer wife. My farmer, and I didn't demand them from them because of the training and the education I have. But over there, it be so. No other reporter by me, but me if the former director of me in charge, this is about no Abandama, my brother, no so near my uncle no so near inside. Mutu akacho 3 days today we chum bala family so farmer I am mother.
Yes. But me ako.
But what processing fee?
Yes, yes I say processing. Blood I say processing. Because your processing issue womb na your demand because so we train blood you donate in the name of somebody. And your donation now after the donation you cost matching. You have to make sure say the blood is compatible with whoever you are giving to. You know sir no patients now one general only the same as different patients no banner. So you have to process it again.
With the processing fee?
Processing fee
no, if you are out of program like mechanism, what about what you are, so if you are 100, 200, and I'm a Muslim. Really, but tell you, after the conference, people donate much. But to know them. Well, I would be this one, so Mujan, I back by 1,000, but no more 20. Was a we are this information was about outer or they in now the men of the mobile or all the record which was a man. Another was sender one with two without getting information back to the family. Okay,
so Mojana say no I want to show me be Mojana a bit my say almost 3 years no now Yarawabi womb. Yeah, it means to say during the process no. Oman so they didn't handle the blood well. And you know, the blood need to make clot. And you know, clot here, for me clot now, me farm movie. What I say. But in cases where there has been infections detected in the blood, no, I believe say it is only right, say over free patients, no, and now whoever donated, no, because donation exercise, no, they have everybody's record. It makes sure say more record so that in case of feedback there, no amount to be retrieved fast. And you know with infections, as for example, no, say it's only right for the management or the organizers to reach out to the person, then not about enough a process more necessary to guide the person with his or her new diagnosis.
Yes, that's it. One of us, our current organizer in China to know about the matter of solving the matters I said, I also that I said to know Alas and Askido, Abba, was a corporation. No more with that, no, there was not about them. The patient, more right, Marble Hospital, which will be the address of the modest model. Can I reject the blood, them and per blood? Men per blood, no more from models, much more reject them and per blood. I bear about to him there with the blood in Smuda, and some to me. Can I reject it?
Okay, so Uber to me I reject it, provided you are in your sound mind. And you know, we are in our blood. Most of the conditions can affect the way you even reason.
Okay.
And based on that, if the doctor feels say, no, you are making decisions based on the effect of the condition, now to me name the blood no more. But then also you are sound to make decisions on your own. Or more sign form say no one I will say orange blood no. So if any consequences should come about, we need any hands in it.
My son, my daughter, and I want to my band. I made them a double friend, Mr. Roman from which they are into my family. When your market is there, still now, I insist there. No. And so I bend the man, our day, Jan, and now the band. No, so what the cat I'm out to me sign, and then Miss Jan want tomorrow.
And you know, we are legal guardian. Akolano wants me making decisions on their own. One hour legal guardian. And so, what I say, Mom Famuja and Sineswa. Now, Omoshena, you are in your right sound mind. They just have to give you a sheet to endorse. Say, one hour saying to you, oh, Mom Famuja and Sineswa. So, provided say consequences should happen, they should hold you accountable.
But, sister, to me, you will be the man, what's on Piamuja. What hospital no more. But apart from imagine in our hospital, no one is doing the also. The boy may do crampo, which one would this do, every hand about small bottle now this do, every hand wouldn't sue, which one would this do. Until you can know us all just there, imagine. Do you have another alternative way which one would save the impan? Mobile baby, I know I don't you neglect the person if you were to know, I don't know.
So, Moja blood transfusion before a physician will come to the decision say yemfa moja nsi busono na aye critical.
Okay.
Intino na I say there is no other alternative. Anunti na or request for blood transfusion.
Okay.
Intino yes, no alternative.
Well, in conclusion, I was unfortunate to me.
Okay, so me futu kakra say only more blood group are very necessary to go and find out for blood group, especially the RH for our F4 no. Yes, and there has been some controversies say some specific diets are like we have blood type diets that influence your health. So per research, there is no evidence say there will be any or blood group udia ebeboa. It doesn't have any scientific basis for now. Research are cost prove say research be almost campaign. I say not almost steady and cophobia. Healthy food, different blood group. At the end of the research, no more realizes say weight gain or weight loss. There wasn't any significant differences between the different types of blood group. Based on that, like I say, it affected blood group. Yeah, usually say we have a blood group. Onya hu ni blood group na wa kan ni doc na me blood group e duane ben na SME dinami from now on say we dey 2 or 3 me say you need scientific evidence bia e back that fact say eduane bi wo ho a for this particular blood group. But that's it.
Alright. Why so we did this and Templeton Hospital how many years?
Me intern national service Cape Coast Teaching Hospital.
It's a school.
Me call EDS. University for Development Studies. Yes.
It's be a medical doctor in charge of lab. Lab who saying another what? No, so
a lab, no, because hospital your disciplines be your pharmacy, your optometry, your the medical doctors. Almost the heart of the entire team. Hands no, they combine results from pharmacy, they combine results from lab, they combine results from other X-ray near there. No one coming to conclusion say no, this is wrong with the patient. And then your discipline breathe. It's in the lab, laboratory. No.
Why don't we carry the title of a doctor?
Okay, so we have doctor of medical, your doctor of medicine, and then a medical doctors now more. And your doctor of medical laboratory science, and your doctor of optometry, almost in your doctor of pharmacy, almost share in drone idea. Then you course school for 6 years. If you are rather short licensure exam, may a license, say you need to practice it. And the anointing and me carry the title doctor.
So what shall we school as well?
May call me high school or Eastern region or down senior high. Okay. And I'm maybe no, maybe to us or UDS. Okay. Ewa Tamale.
Okay. Well, if you walk master, I can number. Others are no prefer to
come. Let's say keep her.
No,
and I'm not make school at Tamale.
It's our car for 6 years.
Our car for 6 years.
Right, never the doctor, so Papa, Dr. Wisdom, in the Rabbi, if in the courage are able to know a casa, or I have starting no, or the autumn or different, but in any pain and autumn or bois, never was. You are my best friend. Yazo butu no baba na bibia otuma ye nti bade na so papa nkan oil mpani fa wo dia na mo bai Kepos Teaching Hospital the CEO Dr. Eric Kofi Injedu CEO ana pemicha so ko ayi oil PR na mpani fi na bia oil Dr. Wisdom the department otuma hwe oil lab ko no do you know a lady called Sakina
a
Muslim. That's my young wife. Wife, it's so lab for Sakina Adam. I see a teacher for the lab free now, which teaching hospital for a teacher or so. The mission we now. Already I saw too much that's for Papa. So, no professor coming about for Prof. Your child, you got to pay and would be a child show coded to not tie net 20 discipline. Female the person who you Juma cameras or your Francis Damas in the MCR, Bennett in the Iron Michael, your corporation Papa. Sports, all about welcome into many way for any fear. Now, are your colors about Canutaz, or you Nimpany Fang or one come up, or for Ghana. I want town Ghana, some Ghana, no, then Cafa, you win bet into Bika just telling an answer. I see. I first of all, when you know, boss of bets into or minimum, I will bomb it. We're going to die. So I could go back and get it. When you try to go, why the minimum and the way how to know. It's never go how easy I go, but already bombers now, the fate to me, something. It's college rubber. No, but it's a little bit the way that was so now. Maybe I will be starting and you have to be. It's a Nina Kakabrabano. Missy Omar bin Abdullah, or you told for the repair before the person hit your buy about a soul oil kind of more than a baba, measures one man.